Hey, what's up? Of course, this is Tiffy Love, and I'm live here in Los Angeles on Skid Row, actually in a warehouse right now. But I'm gonna introduce you to Skid Row. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi, you guys. Well, I told you I was counting down on you guys seeing the typical Sunday on Skid Row in Los Angeles. Now, I had looked up what Skid Row means because I kept hearing Skid Row, but I never saw the street name. So this is really deep. I'm gonna put in the description the definition of Skid Row and where this term derived from. Yes, so you have nice people like this who come around on Skid Row and give out food. You see? Everybody's doing their thing.
I want all the shirts, but
okay, all right. Now you got some talented brothers out here.
Hotter than the sun, he won't stop smashing till she see him #1.
Okay.
Ooh, come on.
Hey, I hear you.
All right.
Hey, brother, appreciate the love, man. I mean, we got good brothers down here on Skid Row. Okay, hold on, wait. What's your name on YouTube?
Night Dog.
Who?
Night Dog.
You have to spell it out.
NYTE and then space dog.
Okay, no doubt, brother. I'm gonna hold on. This queen.
Suck my dick.
Look, I'm Skid Row House of Ribs.
Okay.
I barbecue every day out here. You don't never see
Okay.
me? You ever see? How long you never came out here?
Well, I've been out here before, but I never
You never
saw
see me
you
barbecuing right there? When anybody here let you know I'm the
Oh
barbecue
man, I should have caught you.
Listen, I'm the barbecue man. Everybody
You got a
think
hashtag? You have a Facebook? You have an Instagram? Anything?
Skid Row House of Ribs.
Skid Row House of Real. You got the talent, you got a chef
All they
down
gotta
here
do
on
is come to Skid Row
man.
to get the best ribs. Because of course it's gotta be blessed because we're in the worst part of town.
No
and
doubt.
only God can cook for the people.
No doubt. Peace, brother. Peace, king. Appreciate it. Okay, your brother, like brother. Okay.
My brother in Christ.
What do you do here?
This is my mom right here.
Okay.
I just found my mom like
Oh
5 months ago.
wow! Get out the car. So you from Los Angeles?
Yeah.
So you found your mom here? Where did you find her? How did that happen?
Social media. She found me on social media.
Wow! And she just put in your name and found you, and you just pulled up like this here. Wow, that's amazing! Congratulations! You connected with your.
Before I met my mom, I was homeless before out here. Not out here, but in a different city.
You have nice teeth too, by the way.
I was homeless for like a while, and I was on drugs, partying, and not doing what I'm supposed to do. And next thing you know, I tried to commit suicide one day.
Wow.
So I'm like, God, I'm done right now. Like, I don't want this. This is not what I'm supposed to do all my life. You know what I mean? This is not for me. So I cried out to the Lord, and He just saved my life.
You cried out. What exactly did you say? Look, I need to get this recorded. What exactly did you say when you prayed that manifested your mother?
Word for word, I was crying, and I'm done. Like, I don't want this no more. I'm just done. Just take me right now. Like, I don't want to be here no more.
Was you on your knees when you did this?
I was sitting down.
You were just sitting down?
Yeah, I was sitting down
and you were
crying.
just talking?
Yeah.
Crying?
Yeah.
You wasn't on your knees? You wasn't in prayer?
Well, before that, I was always in prayer.
Okay.
So, like, me and the
God
Lord had a
bless
connection.
y'all, and I hope prayer get y'all where you going.
Thank you. I appreciate it, sister. Peace,
Well, let me
sister.
tell you something.
I really appreciate it,
You
queen.
want to put it on there? If I can't achieve it, I'll weave it. If I can't grow it, I'll sow it. If I'm going through it, I'll gallue it.
No doubt.
If I hate it, I'll braid it.
No
If
doubt.
I don't know, I'll wear a fro.
No doubt, queen.
With them is that these are some slum ass nasty people.
Right.
However, they would take a step back and realize this is the first thing about Skid Row, so makes Skid Row so special. The first thing that you see on Skid Row is yourself.